Alhamdulillah, 2017 was an amazing year at Islamwise. We were active in giving dawah and supporting REVERT Muslims around the globe. Here are the highlights. Last year, 122 people accepted Islam through Islamwise. Over 148,000 dawah materials were distributed to convey Islam to thousands of people around the UK and abroad. 10,000 welcome packs for new Muslims were designed and printed for distribution. In 2017, we had over 1,900 interactions with 665 REVERT Muslims. Every month, we supported 5 different REVERTs every single day on average. We supported REVERTs from all over the world, from Mexico to Fiji. That consisted of 30 countries covering 6 continents. Support was provided in English, Polish, Dutch, Spanish and Italian. Educational support was provided to REVERTs by explaining the basics of Islam, teaching how to pray, providing Islamic advice, answering questions, teaching how to recite the Quran and sending Islamic literature. We also provided emotional and spiritual support for REVERTs with marriage problems, family conflicts, social struggles, financial issues and the many other challenges REVERTs face. Social support was also given to REVERTs by always being there to talk, regularly contacting them, pairing them with Muslim buddies, connecting them with their local masjid, sending gifts for Ramadan and Eid, and organizing events for those REVERTs in Birmingham. We also produced online videos in multiple languages to provide advice on challenges REVERTs face. Last year, we also began creating partnerships with organizations in UK, Hong Kong and Australia in our mission to convey Islam and support REVERTs globally. Don't miss out on the huge reward of helping us to convey Islam to thousands of people and support REVERTs around the world. Plant your seeds of Sadaqah Jariyah. Donate now.